You can start
By
with
watching-
avoid plastics,
Oh yeah, right.
being kind,
Yeah.
and open to ideas.
So,
That's important.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, positive friends. How are you doing today? I'm Chifa from 9B.
And I'm Owen from 7C.
So today we're having a very special guest, guys. Can you guess who it is? Okay, let's count from 3. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
May you introduce yourself to our friends?
And say hi.
Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning. Salamat pagi. I am Denisa from Philippines. I am a PhD graduate student taking up agricultural economics. And right now I am attending the ISKUNREM 2025 organized by the IPB.
Okay. With Professor.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Yofi, Evi Yuliati Yofi. Okay, my students usually call me Yofi, Prof. Yofi, and I teach in the Faculty of Forestry and Environment, IPB University. And now I arrange the 4th summer course carried out by Natural Resource Environmental Management Science Study Program, and I'm happy here with you guys. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So cool.
Thank you.
Okay, I've heard that IPB have an event called Climate Change Impact in Tropical Ecosystem. May we know what is that event?
Yeah, actually, this event is part of our bigger event that I already mentioned before, summer course. So we have this year we held the 4th international summer course on natural resource environmental management, and then we choose the big topic, exploring the harmonizations of tropical ecosystem, a kind of transdisciplinary approach to know better on the climate change and tropical ecosystem issues like that. And we think that youth should have contributions to that. So that's why we choose BINA INSANI for community engagement.
Yeah, thank you for choosing Boso.
Can we get information about the people that are contributed to this event?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, one of them is Daniza from Philippines.
Yes.
Okay, and actually there are 34 participants from 14 countries in the African and Asian regions.
Oh.
Yeah.
When is this event start?
Danisa, you came here
September 7th.
September 7.
7th.
Yeah, that's the right place, right date, yeah?
Yes.
When we start the program, and it will be ended for offline program. It will be ended right 15
Yeah,
September.
15 September.
Yes.
So it's already start by yesterday.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah.
Where is this event being held?
This in IPB Baranang Siang campus, and in building of natural resource environmental management study programs building.
Oh.
Yes.
Program building, guys. And why did you want to contribute in this event, and what knowledge did you get?
Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, this for Daniza.
Denisa.
Okay, so the question is, what is the
Why did you want to
Why?
contribute in this event, and what knowledge did you get?
Okay. This is not my first time in IPB.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, this is my second time already.
Oh, cool.
Yes, and one thing about it, I fell in love with IPB the first time I came here for a symposium, like knowing how the professors are so expert with their chosen field of specialization. Like it's just so awesome to listen to how they share topics from transdisciplinarity to biodiversity, and even how IPB supports the government in its effort for climate change. So when I apply for the ISCONREM, it was quite a competitive selection. Like out of 117, it narrows down to 34. So it is a privilege. At the same time, a responsibility that what we will be learning, we will also bringing that up and sharing it to our students or maybe colleagues, because I'm also a teacher.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So being in the summer course is not just for professional development, but actually contributing to the nationwide or global efforts for climate change.
Oh yeah.
For the future generation, for your generation.
yeah.
So all these efforts is for the future generations.
Yeah.
Because for sure our efforts right now is not just for this year or for the next 5 to 10 years, but it's about awareness,
Yeah.
establishing institutions that you will benefit 20 years from now.
And see you from now.
Yes.
Okay, sounds cool. So you're become a teacher and then teaching other students.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Um, how, how can IPB be the organizer of this event, and what's IPB's role in this event?
Okay, IPB is IPB actually prepare all of this, all of fun and support and effort for this event, because IPB thinks that we have responsibility to overcome the problem on the environmental related problem, which is become more complex and so complex. So we think that we cannot solve this problem only by monodiscipline or just multidiscipline, but instead we have to go further to the transdisciplinary approach. And so as a community member, we should not go we should not takes that trophy alone, but we have to ask others colleagues. Yes, so that's why we think that inviting some students from other country will be a good part,
Yes.
for us to combating this global issue, because climate change is a global issue, so not Indonesian issue alone. Yeah.
So why is climate change important to know by all people?
Oh, that's a very good question from your age.
Very good question.
Yes, from your age. There are a lot of indicators of climate change, and one is the sea level rise.
Yes.
And can you just imagine when there is sea level rise, it would affect coastal community,
Yeah.
and it would affect kids. It would affect household spending, like they might be displaced, relocate to some areas. And the indirect effect of climate change is not just relocation, but also education of kids. So it's important. We appreciate the efforts of IPB conducting the fourth or maybe more years of ISCONREM, not just for collaborating, not just for planning, but actually reaching out schools. That climate change is not just for scientists, but everyone's concern.
Yes.
Oh.
So, okay.
So you have even start not in Indonesia, not in just Indonesia, this event?
It's in Indonesia.
For ISCONREM, it's in
Oh,
Indonesia.
Headed by and organized by the IPB.
Ah.
That's something that you should be proud of, Indonesian, how the efforts of their office. Yes. Like we came here for that. Like we from the Philippines, we are 6 and we are really applying for that slot to be able to attend. So that's something that IPB you Indonesian kids should be proud of.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
What can we do to contribute to this event?
Yeah. As a new generation, what can we contribute?
Lots.
A lot.
Then actually that's what Danis are doing today. They're asking what the youths can contribute to this climate change.
For new generation.
my key takeaway from yesterday's lecture, we have already a lecture with Professor
Damayan.
yeah, that's a very good lecture that even you kids could understand. And one thing that I learned from that is hope. Hope. That despite the sea level rise, ocean acidification, and other indicators of climate change, we can do something with it. How you can contribute? You can start from maybe a YouTube video about the climate change.
Wow.
It starts from the brain
Yeah.
before it comes to the heart.
Yeah.
It's important that it's not just about knowledge that, yeah, you know, this is climate change, this is ocean acidification, this is so on and so forth. But we are not being aggressive, assertive, and hopeful of the plans that the government or your schools are trying to do for climate change. So like, I am part of the world. I am part of the youth of the next generation. What can I do? You can start
By
with
watching-
avoid plastics,
Oh yeah, right.
being kind,
Yeah.
and open to ideas.
So,
That's important. Like you listen to like Professor Yogi, ask her questions. Those. It's important to be open-minded.
So we should.
Okay. That's very, touch my heart, Denisa, that you listen to the lectures yesterday very well. Yes, Professor Damayan is very great person.
Yeah, and the organizers are able to pick up the best speakers that able to speak to a lot of nationalities, not just Filipinos, not just Indonesian, but even Pakistani, Japanese. So that's amazing choice of speakers. Yes. So back to your question, it's important that you learn and you take it to heart.
Yeah. We should tell our ID to who? For the new generation.
Again.
So you said for our generation we should like avoid
Yes,
plastic.
avoid plastic, buy less. Like, why would you buy 10 shoes if you have only 2 feet?
Oh yeah, right.
That's too much.
Yes.
And that means more manufacturing processes. That means contributing to greenhouse gases. That means more waste. You know that almost half of the waste of plastic comes from fast fashion. So if you just need quality clothes, then why buy another clothes? It starts from little efforts. Closing the faucet when you are not using it, using a glass when you brush your teeth instead of just allowing it open.
Yeah.
Those are things that make sense. And you said small effort.
Yeah, but
No, it's
so
not.
big.
Because when your siblings and your friends and your cousins saw what you're doing, they would be inspired.
Oh yeah, right.
And that would have exponential effect.
Yeah.
It starts from someone, it might start from you. So let's be hopeful.
Okay, so Boss Viti, we should less using plastic, guys. Right? As a new generation. Wow! Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for answering our questions and being our guest. I hope your event becomes smooth, and then if there's any problem, you can solve it easily.
Just be hopeful. Yeah.
So, okay, Sobat Boss Viti, as you can see, we are already asking all of the questions that we need, and then I hope it was meaningful to all of you guys. And then, sorry if there's any mistake that we made. Thank you for listening. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.